初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
What a cozy nice day.
What a cozy nice day.
多么舒适美好的一天啊！
What a cozy nice day.
What a cozy nice day.
How's your lovely evening now?
How's your lovely evening now?
你现在可爱的夜晚过得怎么样？
How's your lovely evening now?
How's your lovely evening now?
Happy to see you right here.
Happy to see you right here.
很高兴在这里见到你。
Happy to see you right here.
Happy to see you right here.
Did you walk out for fresh air?
Did you walk out for fresh air?
你出去散步呼吸新鲜空气了吗？
Did you walk out for fresh air?
Did you walk out for fresh air?
I'm good, thanks truly indeed.
I'm good, thanks truly indeed.
我很好，真的非常感谢。
I'm good, thanks truly indeed.
I'm good, thanks truly indeed.
Try this tea, it tastes sweet.
Try this tea, it tastes sweet.
尝尝这茶，味道很甜。
Try this tea, it tastes sweet.
Try this tea, it tastes sweet.
How much is this small spoon?
How much is this small spoon?
这把小勺子多少钱？
How much is this small spoon?
How much is this small spoon?
I walk after dinner each day.
I walk after dinner each day.
我每天晚饭后都散步。
I walk after dinner each day.
I walk after dinner each day.
I'm hungry, want some pancake.
I'm hungry, want some pancake.
我饿了，想吃点煎饼。
I'm hungry, want some pancake.
I'm hungry, want some pancake.
Would you like a cup of pear tea?
Would you like a cup of pear tea?
你想来杯梨茶吗？
Would you like a cup of pear tea?
Would you like a cup of pear tea?
Wear this hat, it blocks sun well.
Wear this hat, it blocks sun well.
戴上这顶帽子，它防晒效果很好。
Wear this hat, it blocks sun well.
Wear this hat, it blocks sun well.
How much are these soft napkins?
How much are these soft napkins?
这些柔软的餐巾纸多少钱？
How much are these soft napkins?
How much are these soft napkins?
I listen to music while resting.
I listen to music while resting.
我休息时听音乐。
I listen to music while resting.
I listen to music while resting.
It's comfy, sit here for a while.
It's comfy, sit here for a while.
这里很舒服，坐一会儿吧。
It's comfy, sit here for a while.
It's comfy, sit here for a while.
Buy this one, it's cheap nice.
Buy this one, it's cheap nice.
买这个吧，又便宜又好。
Buy this one, it's cheap nice.
Buy this one, it's cheap nice.
How much is this cute mug?
How much is this cute mug?
这个可爱的马克杯多少钱？
How much is this cute mug?
How much is this cute mug?
I fold clothes while chatting.
I fold clothes while chatting.
我一边聊天一边叠衣服。
I fold clothes while chatting.
I fold clothes while chatting.
Can I get a cup of chrysanthemum tea?
Can I get a cup of chrysanthemum tea?
我可以来杯菊花茶吗？
Can I get a cup of chrysanthemum tea?
Can I get a cup of chrysanthemum tea?
Take this bag, it's light handy.
Take this bag, it's light handy.
拿这个包吧，它轻便又实用。
Take this bag, it's light handy.
Take this bag, it's light handy.
How much are these small forks?
How much are these small forks?
这些小叉子多少钱？
How much are these small forks?
How much are these small forks?
I water plants while singing.
I water plants while singing.
我一边唱歌一边给植物浇水。
I water plants while singing.
I water plants while singing.
Do you have this in soft white?
Do you have this in soft white?
这个有柔和的白色吗？
Do you have this in soft white?
Do you have this in soft white?
This one's better, more durable.
This one's better, more durable.
这个更好，更耐用。
This one's better, more durable.
This one's better, more durable.
I need to buy spoons quickly.
I need to buy spoons quickly.
我需要快点买勺子。
I need to buy spoons quickly.
I need to buy spoons quickly.
I eat pancake for breakfast often.
I eat pancake for breakfast often.
我经常早餐吃煎饼。
I eat pancake for breakfast often.
I eat pancake for breakfast often.
Excuse me, where's the daily shop?
Excuse me, where's the daily shop?
打扰一下，日用品店在哪里？
Excuse me, where's the daily shop?
Excuse me, where's the daily shop?
Go left past the flower stand.
Go left past the flower stand.
左转经过花坛。
Go left past the flower stand.
Go left past the flower stand.
I love pear tea in autumn days.
I love pear tea in autumn days.
我喜欢在秋日里喝梨茶。
I love pear tea in autumn days.
I love pear tea in autumn days.
Is there a mug shop nearby?
Is there a mug shop nearby?
附近有马克杯店吗？
Is there a mug shop nearby?
Is there a mug shop nearby?
Can you say that a bit clearer?
Can you say that a bit clearer?
你能说得更清楚一点吗？
Can you say that a bit clearer?
Can you say that a bit clearer?
Where to buy nice soft napkins?
Where to buy nice soft napkins?
哪里能买到好的柔软餐巾纸？
Where to buy nice soft napkins?
Where to buy nice soft napkins?
I tidy bags every Saturday.
I tidy bags every Saturday.
我每个星期六整理包包。
I tidy bags every Saturday.
I tidy bags every Saturday.
Would you like a small pancake?
Would you like a small pancake?
你想要一个小煎饼吗？
Would you like a small pancake?
Would you like a small pancake?
I like cute mugs so very much.
I like cute mugs so very much.
我非常喜欢可爱的马克杯。
I like cute mugs so very much.
I like cute mugs so very much.
That shop has cheap, nice forks.
That shop has cheap, nice forks.
那家店有便宜又好的叉子。
That shop has cheap, nice forks.
That shop has cheap, nice forks.
This pear tea tastes so fresh.
This pear tea tastes so fresh.
这梨茶尝起来很新鲜。
This pear tea tastes so fresh.
This pear tea tastes so fresh.
Your advice is so helpful always.
Your advice is so helpful always.
你的建议总是那么有帮助。
Your advice is so helpful always.
Your advice is so helpful always.
I think this spoon is so lovely.
I think the spoon is so lovely.
我觉得这把勺子真可爱。
I think this spoon is so lovely.
I think the spoon is so lovely.
Don't worry, it's all perfect now.
Don't worry, it's all perfect now.
别担心，现在一切都完美了。
Don't worry, it's all perfect now.
Don't worry, it's all perfect now.
Thank you for your nice advice.
Thank you for your nice advice.
谢谢你的好建议。
Thank you for your nice advice.
Thank you for your nice advice.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。